Hi kids, everybody. I'm going to show you the beautiful nature. Now, nature's good for our community. We live in Cary County. Cary is our city we live in. Now this is the spirit of the water. See? And that's what we call water. And look at this beautiful glowing pebble. Don't hold it too close. Look at this big pebble too.
Mighty fine, Monet. Now, where did you get all these rocks from?
I don't know. I don't even know my daddy bought it, or it came here. So, I don't know anything about these rocks, how they got here.
Well, Monet, would you do us a favor? Well, tell us, what nature do you see usually when you're at school?
Honestly, beautiful trees like this. A lot. So, bye everybody.
Bye, and hope you see us again.